Hello, this is Mark from the Me Techie channel, and today we're going to look at the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, the replacement cups or the replacement ear pads for those Quiet Comfort headphones. This is my original pair. You can see they are quite worn out, although I have to give real kudos to this particular pair of headphones. They are amazingly durable considering how long and how often I wear them. I wear them somewhere around 3 or 4 hours a day, almost every day, between watching movies on the iPad or playing keyboards or just working with the channel, editing videos, you name it. I use it for everything. You probably do too. And if that's you, then you probably worn out yours as well. Now I have the silver pair here. You can see they are quite worn out. Now the headphone pads come in multiple colors. Here you can see we have the QC2, 15 and 25, black cushion and black matte. Here we have the same QC2, 15 and 25 for the black cushion and the blue matte. Here we have the same QC2, 15, 25, brown cushion and blue matte. Here we have the QC35 version only, 1 and 2, that's black with the black matte. And then we have the ones that I'm showing you here, which is the QC35 only, 1 and 2, silver. But the good news is you don't have to go out and buy a brand new pair of headphones. You can actually replace them. And there's a lot of companies that sell this online. I bought mine at Amazon. I'll give you a link to the ones that I bought down below in the description, and feel free to use that link. It is an affiliate link, but you don't pay any extra. I just get a tiny, tiny commission if you would happen to use that link. Okay, let's get to taking care of these. So all you need to do is pull this main piece off here. And when you pull it off, I pulled this one on the left. I'm going to pull the one on the right now. You're going to think that you're breaking it for a second. You're going to almost think that you're tearing it in two. And you're not really breaking anything. You're just decoupling it from the little teeth around this plastic rim. So you can see here, there's nothing sticky on here. If there should be nothing sticky on this particular piece right here. Now, if you have the replacement set that I have, you can see here it's like a carbon copy. It looks identical. So if you look, the replacement set I have actually have the soft pads here, the left and right pad protection mechanism to protect the components within. So if you have that, you'll be replacing that as well. So I'll do that. So part one, pull off the soft padded ear cups. Then these are literally stuck. These, you will have a sticky part. And you'll see here as I'm pulling it off, it's actually not completely coming off the way we would hope. There's still some leftover padding there. So it's basically felt, sticky pad, glue, whatever you want to call it. But this is actually something you want to take off because you're going to be replacing this pad with another sticky that's affixed to the pad itself. So go ahead and do that first and clean that off as best you can. You want to be really careful when you clean this because you are now at the point where you are working with the connections to the electronic components. So you don't want to use any chemicals. You don't want to use necessarily a screwdriver per se. I'm just using my hand and my thumbnail, to kind of gently scrape this padding off. It's not that hard. It just takes a tiny bit of elbow grease. And before you know it, this will all be cleaned up. So I've gone ahead and cleaned up the right ear piece, and now it's time to put the replacement right side here like this. You'll notice that it also has stickies here. So you just want to pull those stickies off. However, you got to be careful not to pull the whole thing off. You want to pull it in such a way that there's still a sticky part to it. So this is what you end up with here like this. Okay, and then there is a right and a wrong way to do this. You want to simply keep the other one on so you know which end is up. And you want to put this in a situation, you want to fix it in such a way that you're not blocking any of the teeth. So that you can put the ear cup back on top of it. So as long as you're not overlapping any of this plastic rim here, you should be okay. Now these seem to be interchangeable. There doesn't seem to be a left or right on this. In fact, it's not labeled as such. So at this point, you're just going to put this ear pad right back on. And you're going to position this so that it sticks under the teeth that you can see. They're not that large, but you can see that they're there. And you want to snap that in. So there's a total of 10 teeth that hold that ear pad in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10. And there we have it. Brand new, or like new, Bose headphones, Quiet Comfort with replacement ear pads. Thanks for watching.